Have you ever tried to cut vinyl siding in the cold and it kept cracking on you? That's not only frustrating, but costly. Today I'll show you some best kept secrets that installers don't want you to know. Please don't forget to like this video, share it, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you. The problem is, when you cut vinyl siding in the cold, it tends to crack or shatter. You can use a cutting table with a plywood blade or a carbide blade turned backwards, but what if you do not have a cutting table or need to make a gable cut or a window cut? Normal tin snips will make it crack very easily. One way to eliminate this is to cut it with Metal Master tin snips. Another way is to use a rotary tool with a grinding wheel. I like to use a Milwaukee rotary tool. For long cuts, I use a Plaskolite plastic cutting tool. Just score it at the mark and bend it to break it off. You can get all the tools I mentioned at the Home Depot or at Amazon. Here's how to use the rotary tool on a gable cut. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to keep up with the latest videos. Thank you.